Hey guys, Jason here, Electric Bike Technologies. This is another helpful short. This one has to do with error 24. Now, error 24 is caused for a couple of reasons, but it's all concentrated here. It's about the motor, okay? Now, 9 times out of 10, we're coming down here, and what you're gonna do if you have error 24 is, you wanna disconnect this connection, okay? The motor connection, you pull, you don't twist. You wanna make sure all your pins are good, this and that. You wanna go ahead, line up your arrows, make sure that's good, and then give it a real snug push, and hopefully that'll solve your error 24. That can happen, you know, if it gets pulled a little bit or something, or it's just not in tight. You're gonna get an error 24. If you have that disconnected, it's gonna flash right there. Now, another reason for error 24 is, let's say that this is connected securely and you still have error 24, is going to be that you need to search right here on this cable all the way in and just make sure this hasn't been nicked or anything like that. The thing is about this, if any of the wires in here, like if you had a cut in this cable or something and they touch together, you're going to get an error 24. You're also going to get in that instance, and I'm going to show you something pretty interesting here. So let's say that your problem is that this wheel won't spin. Now, see how it spins a little bit freely there? No problem. Now, if I take something metal, in this case, kind of a very knife, and I go in here and I short these 3 pins, okay? What happens is it locks. This thing will not turn, okay? It locks up because there's magnets in here. That's how it works. So if there's a short in there, or anywhere in the cable, like it's been cut and those wires touch, that's going to lock. Now, when I take it off, it goes back to spinning freely. So that is kind of a test for it, but you want to look for damage here. That's the point for error 24. If you find that, you're going to want to give us a call. That's the problem. Now, anything else about this? If you had this if you had this connected to your controller and you were not able to spin this wheel, then we would start to look, you know, back this way. Maybe this was pulled, maybe there's water, maybe there's something else. But again, 9 times out of 10, error 24 has to do with the connection not being secure or damage here to this cable somewhere, and maybe there's a nick in there, so you want to inspect that thoroughly. Anything more than that for error 24, give us a call, we'll help you out.